Ever wondered how to enjoy a luxurious cruise on a budget? Well, believe it or not, it's entirely possible. Cruising is often associated with opulence and extravagance. But what if I told you that you could relish in this decadence without burning a hole in your pocket? Yes, we're talking about budget cruising. It's not an oxymoron, I promise. We're here to debunk the myth that you need to be swimming in cash to swim with dolphins in the Caribbean or dine on gourmet cuisine while floating on the Mediterranean. This video is all about sharing advanced strategies to help you cruise on a budget. From finding the best cruise deals to mastering money-saving travel tricks, we've got you covered. We'll show you how to navigate the world of discount cruises without compromising on the quality of your experience. So, buckle up and get your sea legs ready. Get ready to sail the high seas without sinking your bank account. First up on our list, timing is everything. Yes, indeed, timing is a crucial cruise hack that can help you secure those dreamy cruise deals. Now let's delve into the importance of timing when it comes to booking a cruise. When you're planning your cruise vacation, the trick is to think like a fisherman. You want to cast your net when the fish are most likely to bite, and in this case, the fish are those tantalizing cruise savings. The best times to book to secure the best deals and discounts might surprise you. Off-peak seasons are the secret key to unlock budget-friendly cruise experiences. Cruise lines often slash prices to fill their ships during these times, so if you're flexible, you can scoop up some incredible cruise deals. Keep an eye out for those sweet spots in the calendar when children are in school and most people are stuck at work. Another timing trick to keep in your budget travel arsenal is last-minute deals. Cruise lines would rather have a full ship than empty cabins, so they often offer amazing discounts to those willing to sail on short notice. This may not work for everyone, but if you're an adventurer with a flexible schedule, this can be a fantastic way to secure a cheap cruise. But remember, don't just jump at the first discount cruise you see. Patience, my friends, is a virtue. Take your time, do your research, and compare prices. There are plenty of travel deals out there, and the perfect one for you is just waiting to be discovered. Of course, timing isn't everything. There are other factors to consider when booking your cruise, such as the destination, the length of the cruise, and the amenities you desire. But if you can master the art of timing, you're well on your way to cruising on a budget. So, as you're planning your next cruise vacation, keep these timing tips in mind. They just might help you snag that luxury cruise experience for a fraction of the price. Remember, the early bird might get the worm, but the late bird might get a discount cruise. Now, let's talk about bundle deals and loyalty programs. Cruise lines love repeat customers. Why? Because they know that loyal customers mean steady business. And to keep you coming back, they've devised a clever system: loyalty programs. Think of these as the cruise equivalent of your favorite coffee shop's punch card. The more you cruise with a certain line, the more perks you earn. This could be anything from priority boarding to free Wi-Fi, to exclusive events and even complimentary upgrades. But here's the catch: you've got to stick with one cruise line to reap these rewards. Remember, loyalty pays off. So, if you found a cruise line that suits your style and budget, sticking with them can lead to some fantastic benefits down the line. Now let's shift gears and discuss bundle deals. These are like the all-you-can-eat buffets of the cruising world. Instead of paying for every little thing separately, you pay one price up front that includes a plethora of amenities and services. Typical bundle deals might include your cabin, meals, entertainment, and even some shore excursions. One of the most popular types of bundle deals is the drink package. Instead of shelling out for every cocktail, soda, or coffee individually, you pay a flat rate at the start of the cruise. And voila, you can sip to your heart's content without worrying about racking up a hefty bill. Another common bundle deal is the dining package. This allows you to sample multiple specialty restaurants on the ship for one set price. If you're a foodie, this can be a great way to experience a variety of culinary delights without breaking the bank. Bundle deals and loyalty programs are not just marketing gimmicks, they're legitimate cruise hacks that can lead to significant savings. So, before you book your next cruise, consider the potential benefits of these programs. Remember, the key to cruising on a budget is strategic planning and smart choices. And with these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy cruiser. Stick with a cruise line and see how loyalty can pay off. On board your cruise ship, savings are still possible. Don't let the glitz and glamour of the cruise life fool you into thinking you need to splurge at every turn. There's a world of savings waiting for you if you know where to look. Let's start with dining options. On a cruise, food is part of the deal. And we're not talking about just any food. We're talking about gourmet meals, buffet bonanzas, and round-the-clock snack bars. But here's a cruise hack you may not know: specialty dining can add up. While these restaurants offer a unique experience, sticking to the included dining options can save you a pretty penny. So, enjoy the plethora of food available to you as part of your cruise deal, and save those extra dollars for something special. Now, on to services on board. Spa treatments, fitness classes, and other premium services often come with a hefty price tag. But did you know there are off-peak deals to be had? Usually, when the ship is at port, many guests disembark to explore, leaving the ship's amenities less crowded. This is when you'll often find discounts on these services, so while others are off on shore, treat yourself to a discounted massage or fitness class. And let's not forget about the free activities and amenities on board. Every cruise ship is a floating entertainment hub with a multitude of activities that won't cost you a dime. You can catch a movie under the stars, take a dip in the pool, attend a comedy show, or even learn a new dance step or two. All these are part of your cruise package, and they're all yours to enjoy without spending extra. Lastly, remember to keep an eye out for daily cruise deals that are often announced in the ship's daily newsletter. These can range from drink specials to duty-free shopping discounts. So, there you have it. A cruise ship is not just a vessel to your dream vacation, but a treasure trove of savings opportunities. With these cruise tips and tricks, you can enjoy your cruise vacation without breaking the bank. Our last tip is for the adventurous at heart: DIY excursions. You might be thinking, do-it-yourself excursions? Are we talking about building a raft and sailing ashore? Well, not quite. On a cruise vacation, shore excursions can often be the highlight of your trip. But booking these through the cruise line can sometimes be a bit on the pricey side. That's where our cruise hack of DIY excursions comes in. Instead of booking your excursions through the cruise line, why not plan your own? This is a fantastic way to save some money while still getting to explore the local area. The key to a successful DIY excursion is research. Before you set sail, scour the internet for information about your destination. Look for local attractions, interesting landmarks, and don't forget to check out local eateries too. Another cruise tip to remember is to consider local transportation. If you're heading to a bustling city, public transit might be your best bet. On the other hand, in more remote locations, you might need to rent a car or hire a taxi. Now, embarking on a DIY excursion isn't without its risks. You're on your own schedule, which means you need to be mindful of the ship's departure time. There's nothing worse than watching your ship sail away without you. So, always leave plenty of time to get back on board. Another potential risk is safety. Always be aware of your surroundings and stick to well-traveled areas. It's a good idea to let someone know where you're going and when you plan to return. That said, with careful planning and a sense of adventure, DIY excursions can lead to unforgettable experiences. You might find that hidden gem of a beach, stumble upon an undiscovered hiking trail, or sample local cuisine in a family-run restaurant. With a bit of planning, you can have unique experiences without the hefty price tag. And there you have it. Cruising on a budget is possible. We've talked about the importance of timing your booking right to snag those sweet cruise deals. We've also delved into the world of bundle deals and loyalty programs that can turn a cheap cruise into a luxury experience without breaking the bank. We've shown you how to save money on board with some savvy cruise tricks, and how DIY excursions can offer the thrill of discovery without the hefty price tag. All these strategies are your keys to a budget-friendly cruise. Remember, the essence of travel is not in the price, but in the experience. With a bit of planning, a dash of strategy, and a sprinkle of travel hacks, you can enjoy an affordable cruise vacation that feels anything but budget. Drop your favorite cruise line in the comments below, and we might just make a video about it. Do remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget travel videos. Bon voyage!